Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer money with SoFi Invest, full guide step by step clearly. To transfer money with SoFi Invest, start by opening the SoFi Invest app on your device. Log into your SoFi Invest account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once logged in, navigate to the home screen. Locate the transfer option, usually found at the bottom of the screen. Tap on Transfer to begin the process. You will see options for adding funds or transferring funds between accounts. Select the option that suits your needs, such as Add Funds. Choose the account from which you want to transfer money. Enter the amount you wish to transfer. Confirm that the selected amount and account are correct. If prompted, complete any additional verification steps. Review the transfer details for accuracy before proceeding. Once everything looks good, tap on Submit or Transfer. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your transfer is processing. Check your account balance to ensure the funds were successfully transferred. If you encounter any issues, consult the help section within the app. You can also reach out to SoFi customer support for assistance if needed. Your funds should be available for use shortly after the transfer is completed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.